Feeling good? You're about to feel even better. I'm Simon, a trader with 7 years of experience, and my win rate is almost 88.7%. Today I've got something mind-blowing for you. These are my trading results from the previous week. Now we'll break down my strategy. It hits the jackpot based on analytics, knowledge and calculations. Grab a tea, everything will be a piece of cake because you've got me. If you've never traded before, let me show you how it works. Today's session is gonna be really fun because I'm starting with just 5. Let's see how far I can go. Alright, I'm picking this, and this pair, and I'll include Apple and Intel stocks as well for a balanced mix. Don't forget about the indicators, they are key to managing risk. I'm using RSI and Super Trend. These are our go-to tools. But it's super important to set them up right. For Super Trend, we'll set this to 14 and this to 2. In the style settings, tweak it so everything's nice and clear. For RSI, set it to 10 and make sure the style settings are sharp. That should do it for this strategy. Looks pretty promising, but let's put it to the test. I'm looking at the first chart now. Like I said, I'm starting with just 5 today. I'm curious to see how far I can get since I usually start with more. So, what do we have here? After correction, the candles are trending down. The indicators are backing that up. A small achievement, but hey, I'll take it. Now let's check on Apple. All right. I think it's time to go down because the candles are showing a trend reversal. Let me double check the indicators and... It's so important to get your platform set up right. I'm always explaining how to do it on my Telegram channel, what settings work more efficiently. So if you've got any questions, hit me up there and I'll answer you directly. Nicely done, we're already up to 18. Now let's get back to our first pair of the day. The trend's pretty clear here, we're going down. Just checking the indicators, and we're good to go. For me, trading is hands down the perfect way to live the life I've always wanted. Thanks to trading, I've been able to achieve things I once only dreamed of, and I want the same for you. That's why I'm here to help, but you gotta trust me. All you need to do is click the link in the description or in the top comment and subscribe to my Telegram channel for free. You'll be able to trade with my guidance and get all the info you need about the trades. Join my club now. No luck here, just the right strategy. Here I'm expecting an upward trend and the indicators agree with me. Let's check it out. The red candle got me a little nervous for a second, but everything turned out just fine, just like I expected. Another pair here. I'm going up from the support level because I see that the RSI indicator is at the lower boundary, so we're waiting for a bounce. While we're waiting, let me tell you a bit about these indicators. RSI helps us analyze the trend direction. It gives reliable signals that point to an upcoming trend reversal, and it's also useful for technical analysis. Super Trend, on the other hand, helps us figure out the overall market direction. A line under the chart means an upward trend, while a line above means a downward trend. I recently talked about how the ADX indicator works and why it's important on my channel. Check it out, it's often underrated. So far, everything's going according to our plan. Let's get back to Intel. I think there's gonna be an upward push to the indicator line. Let's check it and give it a shot. Now Apple. I'm seeing signs of reversal here because there was a large engulfing candle, so we're expecting an upward move. Trading is like an orchestra. I've written a foolproof strategy and my Telegram subscribers just follow me. They are my violins, each with its own sound. Together we create a beautiful symphony. Just yesterday we made 734,000 together, which is over 716 per person. How about that? And if I tell you I do 2 trading sessions a day, like that? Then click the link in the description and the first pinned comment and join my Telegram channel. There's room for all the violins in my orchestra. And now in the 7th session, we're already up to 480. Back to the pairs. I see that after a downward push, there's gonna be a slowdown, and the RSI indicator is deep in the oversold territory, so I'm expecting an upward push. Remember where I started today? Like I said, I'm starting with just 5 today, and now look at this result. On this pair, stochastic is pointing to a trend reversal after the correction, so we're heading down. Awesome, now let's move on to the last trade of the day. Well, this one's pretty obvious. A strong downtrend and it's still going strong. No doubts here, we're going down. Like I said, I'm ready to help you get results just as good as mine, helping you take those first steps in trading. The key is to connect with me. You can do that through my Telegram channel. It's how we can trade together. All you need to do is subscribe via the link and message me directly. Then I can open the door to the world of trading for you, guiding and protecting you along the way. You'll find the links below the video and in the comments. See you on my Telegram channel.